check the lock, trace a circle with every thought, wash my hands till the silence comes. But it never stays, it's never gone. They call it quirky, neat and clean, but no one sees the war in me. Obsessions rising like a flood, compulsions just to feel enough. What if I let go even once? What if I stayed when fear runs? They say there's therapy, a way to heal, so I breathe and make it real. One step freer, though my hands still shake. One thought clearer, though my heart still breaks. No more hiding, no disguise, just me standing in the light. It's not perfect, but it's mine, this fragile, trembling climb. I'm not cured, but I believe every fear I face, I leave one step freer. Pages filled with words I fear, I read them slowly, shed the tears. No ritual to clean the stain, just presence in the quiet pain. Grace reminds me I'm still whole, even when I lose control. This battle's mine, but not alone. Healing is a softer tone. There's a ladder built from fear, every rung is soaked in tears. But I climb and I don't turn back, with a heart that's learning how to crack. I'm not the thoughts that spin around, not just habits breaking down. I'm the silence after screams, I'm the space between extremes. One step freer in this quiet fight, facing shadows, walking toward the light. Every breath a borrowed grace, every moment I embrace. I'm not perfect, but I'm here in the mess, I draw near. I'm not finished, but I see that I'm still becoming me, one step